Imagine you're sitting in a cozy coffee shop, sipping on a latte. Your phone buzzes, and it's a notification from your investment app. You've just received a dividend payment. It's a small victory, but it's a step towards financial freedom. Now, imagine that you could have made that deposit on the go, while enjoying your coffee. No need to log into your computer or find a branch. That's the power of mobile deposit. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile banking, and we're asking the question, does Stash accept mobile deposit? Before we answer that, let's talk about why mobile deposit is such a game changer. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. Mobile deposit allows you to deposit checks anytime, anywhere, no more waiting in line at the bank. Save time, no more trips to the bank to deposit checks. Increase security, mobile deposit often comes with added security features. Answering the question, does Stash accept mobile deposit? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does Stash accept mobile deposit? Unfortunately, as of current date, Stash does not offer mobile deposit functionality. You'll need to deposit checks through traditional methods, such as mailing them in or visiting a bank branch. Exploring alternatives. While Stash may not offer mobile deposit, there are other investment apps that do. Here are a few popular options. Robinhood, known for its commission-free trading, Robinhood allows you to deposit checks through your mobile app. Acorns, this app automatically invests your spare change, and it also offers mobile deposit for checks. Cash App, while primarily a peer-to-peer payment app, Cash App also allows you to deposit checks. Even if you can't deposit checks directly through Stash, there are still ways to maximize your investment experience. Here are a few tips. Set up automatic contributions. Automate your investments to ensure you're consistently contributing to your goals. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Stay informed. Keep up to date on market trends and economic news. While Stash may not offer mobile deposit at this time, there are other investment apps that do. By exploring these alternatives and following the tips we've discussed, you can continue to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.